start. Traditional norms and values of the Indian society laid stress on providing care for the elderly stop. However, due to withering of the joint family system, a large number of elderly are not being looked after by their family stop. Consequently, many older persons, particularly widowed women, are now forced to spend their twilight years all alone and are exposed to emotional neglect and to lack of physical and financial support. Stop. This clearly reveals that aging has become a major social challenge and there is a need to give more attention to the care and protection for the older persons. Stop. Though the parents can claim maintenance under the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, the procedure is both time consuming and as well as expensive. Stop. Hence, there is a need to have simple, inexpensive and speedy provisions to claim maintenance for parents. Stop. Para. In section 5, there is a provision for filing the application for maintenance. Stop. The said application can be filed taking recourse to section 4 of the said act by a senior citizen or a parent, or the case may be, or if he is incapable, by any other person or organization authorized by him, or the tribunal may take cognizance suo motu. Stop. In section 6, jurisdiction and procedure has been mentioned. Stop. Section 8 provides for summary procedure in case of inquiry. Stop. For the purpose of such inquiry, subsection in bracket 2 of section 8 states that the tribunal shall have all the powers of a civil court for the purpose of taking evidence on oath and of enforcing the attendance of witnesses and of compelling the discovery and production of documents and material objects, and for such other purposes as may be prescribed, and the tribunal shall be deemed to be a civil court for all the purposes of section 195 and chapter 26 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 in bracket 2 of 1974 bracket close. Stop. Para. Section 9 speaks about the order for maintenance. Stop. Section 16 provides for appeals. Stop. However, such appeal can be filed by any senior citizen or a parent, as the case may be aggrieved by an order of a tribunal within 60 days from passing such order. Stop. Section 19 provides for establishment of old age homes. Stop. Section 20 provides for medical support for senior citizens. Stop. Section 21 provides for measures for publicity, awareness, etc. for welfare of senior citizens. Stop. Section 22 provides for authorities who may be specified for implementing the provisions of the Act. Stop. Section 23 provides for transfer of property to be void in certain circumstances. Stop. Para. The said Act has been enacted with a laudable object to provide for more effective provisions for the maintenance and welfare of parents and senior citizens as guaranteed and recognized under the Constitution and other statutes. Stop. In the light of the aforementioned statement of objects and reasons, so also the provisions recorded herein above, we proceed to consider whether the tribunal, while passing the impugned order, has framed appropriate issues and answered the same, keeping in view the provisions of the Act and the rules thereunder, so also the documents and materials placed on record stop.